Welcome, this is the Pixel 7a and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So open first the settings, then tap to the sound and vibration, and then tap to default notification sound and change your currently sound to one from these available sounds. You could select just sound which you like. For example, let's use this one. Then just tap to save on the right upper corner, and now we could see that we just successfully changed notification sound on our Google Pixel phone. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.